Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Today is the day we have to pack up the DX Commander and get it on the road. First off, I gotta unbury this coax that I buried. Luckily, it's not that deep. This side of the coax has never been replaced and has survived several Wisconsin winters. I've covered it in Vaseline, which I'm now wiping off, in order to protect it from the elements. What did not survive the elements was the other end of the coax, where the mice were. All right, so that end is free. Let's go get the rest of it. There is the house end. There is the weatherproof joint that I made that went where the mice were chewing. And then this is the buried part. Oh yeah, that's coming up nice. Done. That is a lot of coax. Next up, I gotta pop off the guy lines and lower the antenna. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna remove the flying lead from the driven element plate, which is gonna leave all of my radials in the ground. And now I can pull the antenna out. All right, where are those guy lines? There's one. There's two. And there's 3. All right, so not only are all of the radials buried, but most of the radial plate is buried also. You see any wires down there, boys? They're going out in all directions. Let's get it free. I guess I'll take one off at a time and retrieve them. There's one set. There's 2 sets. Oh, that one got cut short. Three sets. Four sets. Somewhere in there is the base plate. There it is. All right, the base plate and the bottom cap. Let's start taking off the 40-meter element. It goes up, over, and back down. So there's the end, and there's the aquarium tubing, the clear plastic tubing. I'll take that big piece off and set it there so we don't forget it. And then there's a little piece here. We'll take that off so we don't forget it. Take these two and put them somewhere special. Put those right in there. And they're both there. Excellent. We will undo the next element. I had to replace this hookup here, but I just used regular electrical tape and that has held up fantastically. And then these I also got at the local hardware store, these orange ones down here. We'll pull the 40-meter element down through. That's free. Next up, that's off. .40-meter element down. Pull that off. This one I did use the glue line heat shrink on the fold over part. Then this is one of Callum's clips here. That piece off. That piece off. Put that back on so I don't lose it. Gather up that part while we're at it. What I probably should do is take these and leave them on the plates. That way I know where the elements terminate. But too late for that now. All right, we're getting a pile of wire going. And we are at the bottom. This is the 10-meter element. This is 20. $17. That one's on there pretty tight. Stand back, ladies. Had to whip out my Leatherman. Oh, this is the 40-meter element. This big boy. All right, what's left? 12 and 30. 30 was on there pretty good too. All right, let's grab all those parts and put them in a safe place. Time to grab the spreaders. Got them. If you took your base plate cap off, make sure you put it back on for this next step. Otherwise, you'll have a big mess on your hands. If you're like me and you haven't taken this thing apart in forever, then do yourself a favor and wipe it down to make sure you don't carry a whole bunch of dirt and debris and detritus down inside of your shaft, inside of your tube. Same difference. I'd have to go back and look, but this is about 3 or 4 years on a DX Commander that's been outside non-stop. This is my DX Commander antenna system. It's done fantastically. Now, if you know me, that mess ain't gonna stand. Get a load of this. As my wife says, a giant has fallen. Let me show you what we got going on here. We'll unzip those, but first, there's room up here for some stuff still. I didn't put anything in those pouches. There's a little divider in the middle there. This one has the guy lines in it. This here has all of the Jubilee clips in it. This has the doingy doingies and the 2 little pieces of aquarium tubing. This part here has all of the antenna wire and the the guy stakes in it. I will put each of these in individual bags in the future. And then inside, it's upside down. Inside We have the antenna mast all attached up and the plates, fantastic. This isn't weird at all, is it? So I am ready to go soda backpacking. It doesn't even weigh all that much, to tell you the truth. Radio in one bag, antenna on my back, ready to roll. There are links for this bag in the description down below, and there are a couple of other bags that I found online that I would like, but the price was really, really high for some of these. Make sure you get a shotgun bag that is big enough to handle the mast that you're gonna be carrying with you. The DX Commander mast fits in most of your shotgun bags, but it does not fit in most of your rifle bags because they're a bit shorter. Check out the links in the description down below for this bag and some of the other ones that I showed you here just a few seconds ago. There is a video right here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.